Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate this easy design inspired by the grungy nails that Kai and Sehun had in EXO's Obsession concept trailer. Start off by applying a base coat to all of your nails. The first nail is almost totally black with just a little bit of space at the cuticle. To get this look, start your stroke at the free edge and ease up as you get closer to the cuticle so that you're left with an unfinished edge. Sealing your design with a matte top coat. Use a nail art brush to make a vertical black line in the center of your nail. Again, you want the top part to look a little bit textured. If your base coat dries glossy, then you'll want to top coat the whole nail with a matte top coat. Since my base coat dries matte, I decided to just top coat where I painted to add some dimension. For this nail, use the brush from the polish bottle to make 3 irregular strokes down the nail. If you want to, you can use a brush dipped in black to add some more details. Sealing your design with a matte top coat. For the next nail, just make 2 full brush strokes vertically down the nail, one about 1/4 of the way down from the cuticle and one about halfway down. Sealing your design with a matte top coat. For the last design, section off 1/2 of the nail and fill it in with black. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!